Accessing laboratory-grade water purification and crisp, mineral-balanced hydration without dealing with permanent plumbing or complex undersink installations often means sacrificing filtration power. The Bluevua RO100ROPOT countertop reverse osmosis system resolves that kitchen compromise by packing advanced multi-stage reverse osmosis and smart monitoring into a sleek, plug-and-play countertop footprint. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its zero-installation design paired with a patented glass-first architecture. Instead of routing hoses beneath your cabinetry or drilling into your countertops, the system is ready right out of the box. Just plug it into a standard outlet, fill the removable feed tank, and let the internal pump work. Water is purified through a comprehensive 5-stage filtration process, including a sediment filter, coconut shell carbon filter, high-precision 0.0001 micron RO membrane, post-carbon filter, and a dedicated remineralization stage that infuses calcium and magnesium back into the water for a smooth, naturally balanced alkaline taste. Furthermore, purified water is dispensed directly into a high-borosilicate glass carafe rather than hidden plastic tanks, keeping your water safe from microplastic exposure. Practicality defines everyday operation through intuitive smart features. A clear digital LED panel provides real-time total dissolved solids (TDS) readouts so you can actively monitor water quality before and after filtration, alongside automated filter life tracking and self-rinsing cycles. It also boasts an efficient 2-to-1 pure-to-drain wastewater ratio, outperforming many traditional countertop units that waste significantly more water. Things to consider before you buy. Because it relies on a manual fill water tank rather than a direct water line connection, you will need to occasionally refill the reservoir depending on your household's daily consumption. Additionally, while its compact footprint is ideal for apartments, dorms, and small kitchens, the countertop unit does occupy valuable surface space near an electrical outlet. So who is this really for? This system is an absolute home run for renters, students, and homeowners who want rigorous reverse osmosis purity and remineralized taste without altering their plumbing or sacrificing cabinet space under the sink. If you manage a large multi-person family that burns through gallons of water daily and requires an automated, high-capacity supply, a permanent undersink tankless system will better match your volume needs. Is it worth the money? If you value true portability, a plastic-free glass storage carafe, real-time TDS monitoring, and premium multi-stage RO purity right out of the box without tools or installation, it is an exceptionally smart, health-focused investment for your kitchen. The Amazon link sits right in the description for easy access.